are the co-founders of Fluenty. Also from right here in Guadalajara, Miguel Cardenas y Luis Ibanez.
Hello, Guadalajara. It's a pleasure to be here tonight. Imagine you're amazing at making a product and you put all your hopes and all your dreams into opening your own business. Well, this is the story of Maria Jose and Ricardo, the owners of Blue House Sushi and the face of local economy. They moved to Guadalajara and they went all in. They got a bank loan, they put all their savings to open a sushi restaurant. They told us they felt stuck and lost because during the first few months, they could barely pay their bills. This might be your story. Maybe somebody close to you, like your grandparents, like your mom, like your dad. We know that starting businesses have a big problem, and that's getting new clients. Maybe what you invest in social media doesn't bring that many clients because likes and views are good, but as a small business owner, what we want is to have clients in our store. Maybe your expertise in marketing is very low. And on top of that, you have to compete with hundreds of options around you.
That's why we want to make small business fluent in marketing. So we present you Fluenty, an easy way to get customers into your store with coupons as a marketplace app. As a business, you download and sign up and pass on coupons. And as a client, you buy coupons and go to the store to redeem them. But how do we help people like Marijo and Ricardo? Well, we give the business 0% risk of investment. This is because we only charge a small fee for every coupon redeemed. And for clients, well, they get all these discounts for just $4.99 a month. We want every person behind these businesses to succeed. In Mexico, 98% of companies are small businesses. Our initial target is 1% of that, which represents $746 million. The impact of local economy is huge.
And we're different. We want local businesses to win. We want them to only pay for results, and we want this tool to be easy to use. Our go-to-market strategy is a combination of social media outreach to reach final clients and face-to-face interactions to reach small business owners. Are we satisfied with our results today? No. Honestly, we're not. But there's a lot more room where we can help Marijo and other millions of people that have their dreams invested in their business, and maybe you're one of them. We don't win if they don't win. And our next step is a loyalty card that will help businesses bring customers back more frequently.
We almost didn't make it to the final, and we know the cost of chasing a dream. We believe it's our destiny to help local economy grow. All of these people, these businesses, and these dreams, this is Fluenty. I'm Miguel, the developer, and this is Luis, the salesman. Help us expand this idea to people like Marijo, and give us your vote if you think that local economy matters. And together,
we'll unleash the potential of local businesses. Please play the demo video. So as a business, you open your loyalty card, you set the price that you want the client and the amount of visits that you want to purchase.
So the client scans the QR code to get the loyalty card. They fill up a form, they verify the profile, and then get the loyalty card into the phone wallet. So once it's in the phone wallet, there's a QR code that the next time the client visits the business, it gets a visit registered. So here we simulated the visits until they get the price. In this case, was a pozole gratis.
A demo. And we want to thank our Tacgore team so much for the hackathon. They were amazing. So we really appreciate all the help.
Great work, guys. Let's head it over to our judges' questions.
Okay, the question is very simple. Do you know Groupon?
Yeah.
We do.
How would you avoid the fate of Groupon?
Well, basically, what happened with Coupon was the fees for the businesses. We focus more. We know that we're like similar to Coupon, and that's the idea. but we avoid that because we work with the small businesses, because we only charge when a client comes to the store. So it's a small fee, very different to Groupon, and only the business only gets charged when it's a customer into the store. Yeah.
Thank you.
Correct.
Fernanda.
Thank you. So from my side, which is the assessment that you do to double check that the business model of the local business is the correct one? Meaning sometimes they are doing C2C and they are meant to be B2B, like which is the steps that you take?
Well, honestly, it's an open app, so as a marketplace, pretty much the final client decides if they find attractive what the business is posting. So if a business is supposed to aim to another business rather than another customer, then that's on them pretty much. Like we're just the middleman, so we can connect those two pieces.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fluenty, everybody. Fluenty, please begin.
We would like to emphasize that local economy is nothing other than the community. It is the center of our society and it's our families. Every one of us is a local economy because we all have somebody, either we work in our own business or somebody in our family or somebody very close. So we want to represent that effort and we want the money and the economy as a whole to stay here. We want Guadalajara to be strong, yes, but we also want Mexico, Latino America, any city to keep.
And that is time. Thank you, Fluenty.
Thank you, guys. Wonderful.